Oh, wow, friends! States are finally giving back to their residents. Also, there is a new updated schedule for the next batch of relief checks. Friends, I know that many of you are also wondering whether your city or state is sending out additional stimulus payments. So please make sure that you watch until the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you a new list of states that have just approved stimulus bills. I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of November and December, I will also surprise several of you with $200 gift cards to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community.
We also ratified the Kigali Amendment to rally the world in phasing down the production and consumption of HFCs, greenhouse gases, that are thousands of times more damaging than carbon dioxide. And just yesterday, the United States became the first government to require that our major federal suppliers disclose their emissions and climate risk and set targets for themselves that are aligned with the Paris Agreement. As the world's largest customer, with more than $650 billion in spending last year, the United States government is putting our money where our mouth is to strengthen accountability for climate risk and resilience. These critical steps are already locking in vital investments in our infrastructure, delivering lower costs for clean energy, spurring good-paying union jobs for American workers, and advancing environmental justice in our communities. Folks, we're proving that good climate policy is good economic policy. It's a strong foundation for durable, resilient, inclusive economic growth. It's driving progress in the private sector. It's driving progress around the world. And the sum total of the actions my administration is taking puts the United States on track to achieve our Paris Agreement goal of reducing emissions 50 to 52% below 2005 levels by 2030.
Nearly 20 U.S. states have approved stimulus payments in one form or another, and residents in a dozen of them are still waiting for their money. If you're still waiting on your California inflation relief check, there are a few reasons you might not have received it as of yet. To know when to expect your money, you'll want to double-check exactly how you received your Golden State stimulus. The California Franchise Tax Board told reporters this week some qualifying taxpayers have either forgotten how they received their stimulus or changed their banking information, which will confuse their timeline. Direct deposit disbursements are still being rolled out and will be completed by the end of November. Debit cards will then be mailed out to all other qualifying taxpayers. According to the tax board spokesman, Andrew LePage, inflation relief checks are being processed as expected with no delays. The first round of direct deposits was completed on October 25th. The second round of direct deposits began on October 28th. Qualifying taxpayers can expect to see their deposits in their accounts by the end of November. So for those who did not receive a direct deposit and qualify for a middle-class tax refund, you will receive your payment in a debit card. Debit card payments started going out the end of October for taxpayers who received both Golden State Stimulus 1 and 2. For taxpayers who changed their banking information since filing their 2020 tax returns, debit cards will be mailed out starting December 17th. The state of California expects all debit cards will be mailed by mid-January. Numerous U.S. states are issuing stimulus checks and tax rebates to their residents, but few have been as generous as Colorado. The state of Colorado is mailing $750 checks and $1,500 for married couples to all its taxpayers in a program that's dubbed Colorado Cashback. Many Colorado families are still feeling the economic impacts of the crisis, combined with the rising cost of living in the state. Providing direct payments is one of the most impactful ways to support residents. Most Colorado cashback checks should have already hit mailboxes. If you received an extension on your tax return for October 17, 2022, you will receive a cashback check by the end of January 2023. The cashback payments were made possible through an amendment to the State Taxpayers Bill of Rights, which requires the Colorado government to return excess state revenues. Originally, refunds were expected to be $400 per taxpayer. But thanks to Colorado's strong economy, the payments were boosted to $750 per taxpayers, and then married couples who filed jointly will receive $1,500. Friends, the keyword for this video is green bean casserole. If you would like to enter the next $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is green bean casserole, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch and then leave a keyword on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. On the table in Kentucky is a taxpayer rebate program worth $1 billion from the state's budget surplus. The proposal has been approved by the Senate, although the state House of Representatives has yet to vote. The Commonwealth Journal reported that some lawmakers are pushing back on the bill, instead favoring reducing income tax over time. But if it does pass, all those who are eligible stand to receive a one-time payment of $500 for single filers and $1,000 for couples who file jointly. The state government in Hawaii has already passed a bill giving tax filers a rebate of $300 if they make below $100,000 a year, and $100 for filers who earn above that threshold. Direct deposits started going out at the end of September, and anyone who requested a paper check should receive them by the end of December. The state of Indiana also authorized 2 tax refunds, one for $125 and another for $200 for single filers. They have different eligibility requirements, and those who qualified for both have already received their payments. Those who qualified only for the $200 refund, on the other hand, will not receive an automatic payment and must claim it as a tax credit when you file your taxes next year. Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here every single day. I greatly appreciate all of you, my friends. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway of $75 is Naomi Bell. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, remember to check your notifications page and send me an email, or you can message me on Facebook. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.